All right guys, so the big day has finally come and we've completed our first Roofs for Teachers program. First thing that I want to do is shout out Dmitry Lipinski, all the guys and gals over at Roofing Insights for making all this possible for us. It's truly amazing to have somebody like you guys working with us and advocating for all of us here in the industry, give back to the amazing teachers that are helping us and helping our children and helping our future generations. So from the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank you guys for giving us this opportunity and allowing us to be here making this video right now. So the roof that's behind me, it looks pretty good right about now, but it did not look that way when we first started this project. So underneath here, and I wish we would have had some more video of it, but it was just, we had to, there's so much work to be done. There was no time to stop and make a video. We had to get going. So underneath this roof, you know, it was a tin roof, an old tin painted roof on top, and then underneath of that, we had a layer of wood shake shingles. And obviously to go back with a system, the Owens Corning system like this, we got to tear all that down, put down all fresh new decking. So everything is going to be to the manufacturer specifications, and we give them a great warranty along with the free roof. So it was a giant mess out here. We should have got some more video, but like I said, we had to drop everything we were doing so we could get this project done for them. We took all the metal off, all the wood shakes off, got this thing down to the clean deck, installed brand new 7/16 decking across the whole thing with the H-clips and everything up to code with the ice, and then went back with obviously ice water shield starter, the works to give them a fully warranted roof system from Owens Corning behind us. We can now give this customer a solid 50-year warranty on their shingles, a 10-year workmanship warranty that's backed up by our manufacturer, Owens Corning, and all completely for free. So one of the things that this roof was missing when we got here was there's a chimney located at the eave edge of this roof, and by code and by manufacturer specifications, we need to build crickets behind there. So we were able to give them this really good shingle all for free, but we also had to keep it up to code as well. So we built a cricket behind, or a saddle, some might call it, behind that chimney so we could effectively divert the water away from that chimney, and that we're not going to have any ice damming up behind there in the cold months that we have coming upon us now. In addition to that, we put all brand new counter flashing across all of the walls, all the brick walls that intersect the porch roof that go, there's a porch roof that wraps the whole way around the roof. So we did all brand new, nice, clean, gray counter flashing that complements the shingles really, really nicely along with the brick as well. Because if we're gonna give out a free roof, we want it to perform well, but we also want it to look well. So the best part about this whole thing was our customer, Mark, is a teacher, and he's the one who reached out to us, and we were so glad to help him. But the kicker here is that his wife is a teacher, and to take that even a step further is their father-in-law was a teacher. So we had 3 different teachers of all different ages living under the same roof. So we were able to kill 3 birds with 1 stone and help out 3 teachers that have been out there helping us out and helping out our communities. So now that 2020 is almost over, you know, we're gonna be wrapping things up for the year. This is one of the final jobs, one of the last jobs that we're gonna be doing, but we wanna do a lot more of these. Next year in 2021 or 2022, once the season breaks again, we wanna be installing more free roofs for more teachers, or anybody that's deserving of it, or anyone that needs some help, because, you know, if you're gonna be a great roofing company, you gotta be the great roofing company that also gives back, because putting a bunch of money in your own pocket is nice, but it's even nicer when you can take some of that money and give it back to the people who really, really deserve it. So I'm Charlie Anderson from Dreamworx Exteriors. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. If you like the content that we have here, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on our Instagram, all the different social medias. You can find us, Dreamworx Exteriors. Until then, we'll see you on the next video.